Walk up here and give thanks to the Lord tonight. You are a part of God. The first reason God created you. Nobody's loving us. Good news, and good news. The Bible says God so loved the world. How many of you believe in this very night? You may be asking, why should Jesus love me so much? Did we do something good for Him? There is two reasons for Jesus to love you. First reason is written in Genesis chapter 1. The Bible says, God created man in His own image and likeness. The first reason God shall love you is God has created you. You are not created in a factory. You are not created in some places by a man. The Bible clearly says you are created by God. And moreover, but there is a reason behind it. I always say, Pastor, we have taken from the mud. Always Pastor say, we are mud, and we are mud. Why should God love somebody who was taken from the mud? That is not the reality. That is not the truth in the Bible. Of course, your body has been taken from the mud. But the original palm in you is not your body. The original, the real you is inside your body. You don't need to wait for a pastor to come and lay down his hand upon you. Once the faith is activated, and I really want to be blessed. Tonight, good news, and good news. God can create things from nowhere. That is what happened in the life of Abraham. The Bible says Abraham believed in God. Healing will happen in your life. That is what Bible says in Mark chapter 5. We were sharing about that things in the morning.